In the last video we have created our development store for free, where we can start building our store completely free of cost, and we can launch this store when we want to make it live. If you have not set up your development store yet, then you can join this Shopify course. This was the last video. You can set up your development store. So now let's come back to the video, and now we have to add our products. Now we will have to add some sample products for our store, and for that we can go to apps, and here we will have to search simple sample data, and we will click on search on app store, and here is the app. It is free to install. We can install it to import some sample data for our store. Install. So this will upload some sample products in our store, and we can start creating our store design based on that. In this course we will add the shipping methods, taxes, and different kind of stuff based on these products. So here you can see it is adding different products, collections, and customers and orders. This will help us in learning Shopify, and here we will have to select on all, and we can click on generate data. Yes, generate dummy data, and now it is generating the data. So here you can see sample data has been generated, so we can click OK, and now we can click on products, and here you can see our sample data is imported, and we have some orders as well. And now we can click on view or store button, and here we scroll down. Here you can see the products are showing here, and we can click on view all to see all the products. So now we have the sample data, and we can now create our store using that, and we can learn different stuff. Like in the next videos we will learn about collections, tags, shipping, taxes, product management, and different kind of stuff. So for that, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.